Hello everyone, I'm Dojanshu. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create responsive image, responsive text, and responsive form using CSS and HTML. I have one folder on this desktop. Inside that, I have already created the HTML form and three HTML and two CSS file, and I have few images that I have used in this file. First, I will show you how to create a responsive image. Here I have create one simple HTML document which will show the image website or image web. Using this image tag and source, I brought ledger.jpg, and as such I haven't linked with CSS externally, but I used internal style CSS. So here's the image, the web that I have that is created. So how it responds means when I decrease the size of the browser, the size of the image also decreases as per the size of the browser. So this is the effect. The main reason for this one is in this image there's class set given responsive. So in the style sheet we made width 80% and height 70%. It will respond. It will maintain 70% height and 80% width depending upon the web browser. So that's why image remain same size. The ratio between the image and the browser remains same because I have set 70% width and 80% 70% height and 80% width. That's the image responsive. Now next is text responsive. In this text responsive is somehow similar with the web image responsive. It also the text will remain same as I decrease and increase the size of the web browser. But in here it's nothing much, just I have given the one bulk text and I copied from the Google. So I've linked this CSS externally. So I've given link, style sheet, and a reference with stylesheet.css. Here, main thing this responsive happen because this body I have given the margin clamp 1 em. Em means 1 em is minimum and 8 is maximum. Em means just the it will increase 8 times from the current font. Is actually it related to the font size, so it will increase maximum 8 times the current size and decrease 1 times means it will remain same. So a 6 VW means the view width. The width viewing width will remain. It will show 6 pixel. So I have set one background image 13.jpg. That's the name of the image, and the rest for this heading 2 I have given 40 pixel maximum minimum this is not maximum minimum, just set 40 pixel, and viewport is 5, and paragraph view minimum is 1 and maximum is 2, that is double the size of the current font size, and 2 viewport. Yes, viewing with view width. So container maximum width 500, I kept 500 pixel and width is 100%. That's full size of the website, browser I mean. So things much important or related to responsive. So that's it for the responsive text responsive. Now let's move to form responsive. This is the form that I have created. This form is just name, email, phone number, message. This is for contact form. You can type whatever thing, your name, then email, then phone number, and then message that you want to send. So here this is a very interesting one. When you decrease the size of the browser, it will give, and it will able to manage and able to shrink as per the browser site. It's browsers. Here this mainly shows if you are accessing from the different devices. You can view this kind of website from the phone or mobile phone or tablet, and it will fit in your screen. That is responsive to the device. How I've created is show you the text, and here's the form. This nothing much but just HTML where I've included the name, the email, phone number, and the message text box, these things, but I have linked externally with stylesheet.style.css. So here's stylesheet. There's much decoration and I have made. So background image that I have given, this image here, and the background size is I kept for cover. So rest is not much important, but here transform this translate 50% negative. That means when I decrease, it will decrease to 50% of the original size. 50% first one is top and bottom, and second one left and right. It will show like that. And padding is 30%, 40%. If there's only two, that means either top and bottom and left and right. It will represent in that way. So another one that responsive happen is this transform one, and I think this only, let's make the form responsive. The rest are just for the form decoration and the making the form attractive. Here you can see created the form, setting some background, so you can change the size, increase and decrease the web browser. That's it. Thank you for listening.